I know that major stock market plunges are very scary. Everybody is confident about their investments when the stock market is going up. But what about when the stock market is going down? What do you do in order to feel confident that you have the right investments in your portfolio so that you can hang on to get through tough market consideration? If we haven't met yet, my name is Mitch Goldberg. I'm a financial advisor with the wealth management firm Client First Strategy, and this is this week's Monday Money Tip. The key is to ask yourself, how does this investment fit in with my overall investment portfolio, which should fit in with my overall financial plan? Listen, it's your money, but you have to decide whether or not you're in the business of buying and selling stocks, or if you're in the business of building a portfolio that's right for you so that you have the confidence to give it the amount of time it requires in order to earn a positive long-term return. But what do you do in order to feel confident about the investments in your portfolio in order to get through a market plunge? What I really want you to do is make your investment decisions based on how each particular investment fits in with your overall portfolio. That's what gives experienced investors the confidence to hang on to their investments through both good times and down times. Don't let the stock market be the boss of your investments. You should be the boss of your investments. So don't be your own worst enemy when it comes to making investment decisions. Think of it in terms of portfolio decisions, and this way you'll be more confident to hold on to what you have, because what you have are the right investments for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.